PITA, getting ready to pop. PITA, getting ready to pop. PITA. See it?
Hot stock pick.
Hot stock pick, PITA. Boom.
It's a pain in the.
Spaniel high.
Thank you. PITA, PITA, PITA. PITA, PITA. Come on, here it comes. Oh yeah, PITA, baby, let's go. PITA, oh yeah. Starting to make a nice move. PITA, all it's got to do is break this 200. She's off to the races. Can you guys see it on PITA?
Yep, looking at it.
Yeah, PITA.
So you don't need the Mountain Dew.
Yeah, look at this baby. Sorry, got a lot of high energy today. High energy. Here we go. She's pushing the 200. Boom, $400. Oh, I love my job. I love my job and it loves me.
I love your job.
Thank you. Now, did you guys see what I had? I bought 5,000 at market. My stop loss was in place. I waited till it went above where I paid. I drug my stop loss up. $370. You guys see how it worked?